Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of a vlog because I do have a bunch of stuff that I need to get done. I want to kind of bring you guys some of like day in the lives and stuff like that I'm doing here on the channel. Today the kids have their friends over, and so you maybe can hear them mumbling in the background. Not mumbling, but they're talking, but from a distance it literally sounds like mumbling. And we are trying to get our basement carpeted, and we took the trip to go check this out not that long ago, but we still didn't come to a conclusion as to what carpet we want to have down there, so we have to go and do that again. Also, recently we just got a bed. That's not it. We upsized our queen bed to a king. Where in the world, like, how were we still sleeping on a queen? Most people I know, they are on a king, and they've always kind of, I don't know, it's just weird that we've still had a queen. But now that like we co-sleep and baby girl likes to sleep in her bed, I'm not getting enough sleep because there's not enough space for the rest, for all of us, even though she's getting old enough to get transferred to her bed. But if she sleeps in here, it's not a big deal. I've always co-slept with all my kids, and I really don't have an issue doing it. So now we're upgrading to a king-size bed. We've gone ahead and bought the frame, but now we're in need of a mattress. We have been researching, and I think the mattress that we're gonna get is a Casper mattress. It is a little bit costly. It's not any different than the mattress that we got, because we got that one. It was a floor model. Obviously it was like all packed and everything, and it was like the same price. They're like $1,500 for this mattress, but it's got amazing reviews. I think it has like 15,000 reviews, like 5-star reviews, and that's a lot. I think that's the mattress we're gonna go with, so we have to order it and get it in. Also in today's video you're gonna see a haul because I did order some stuff from Amazon. I've been loving my Apple Watch. It is so new to me. I just got it like maybe a week ago, but I took it like 2 days before opening the box, and I still have a lot of figuring out to do, but I've been loving it. It's been like really nice with my fitness, just with my new mission to be on a fitness journey. And this fitness journey is strictly for me, not, you know, it's just to be healthy, even though I'm TTCing. And I think obviously the better weight I'm at too, with conceiving, the better off I will be. Yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got from Amazon Prime, because we made an order for something that we really needed around the house, and I know that the item that I'm going to show you in today's video is going to be put to good use. Then I also ordered a specialty item that goes hand in hand with this. You guys can probably guess what it is, but leave your guesses down below right now and let me know if you guessed it right. But the main thing I got is this band. Oh my gosh, I wanted to try a band. Actually, I wanted to get the Apple Watch with the rose gold, but then I thought black is sleek, black goes with anything, but I think I would still like a nice rose gold band. So that's what it looks like. It's magnetic. It came stacked together. Okay, this is amazing. That is totally amazing. Next item that I got is like a game changer, because not many people use CDs anymore, but because we always bought the kids a lot of CDs, we ended up having a ton of them, and so we needed a place to keep them. We did have a large case, but it was one that was pleather, so all the leather kept falling off and just making a mess everywhere in my living room every time the kids took it off the shelf, and it literally drove me bonkers. But we had to do something about it. Let's see, let me open this. Let's crack this baby up. Ooh. Wow, it's humongous. It's like a little carry-on. But this baby right here, this DVD case holds 400 DVDs. Hey! It'll condense a little bit more when it's not completely packed with all the DVDs, but 400, because we have a ton. So I've already gone ahead and switched out my band. Oh, it looks so cute. I was wanting to get this band for a long time, and I really love it. And I was wondering how it was going to look too without having the rose gold trim around it, but it looks so cute. as I'm cleaning up, I'm actually trying clothes on to see how I like the fit of things, because if I don't, I just want it gone. My closet is literally kind of falling apart at the current moment, but at the same token, I'm also just trying to get rid of stuff that just doesn't fit or it's not working for me. This is the outfit that I tried on. It's not so much a shirt. I had the shirt on before, but the shrug, it's kind of cute and it still fits. It's literally just a shrug. It doesn't close. I don't know if it was supposed to at any point, but this is what it's like. And it just so happens that my headband coincides with it, like it goes with it. My braids are coming out today, by the way. You guys, so I have a bunch of stuff that no longer fit. This thing, shawl thing right here was so cool. It's just one of those ponchos, but for some reason it just fits so big. I love the color. This is my color, and I have a lot of nice lipsticks that can go with it, but it just didn't fit. And so I'm going to go ahead and put those inside of a box that I currently have out in my hallway. Overall, I am pretty close to completing the bed. There's a little pile here for hubby to put away these things I'm carrying with me because I can edit on the street. Gotta put away my wig.